Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay with Face ID. To use Apple Pay with Face ID, first of all, you have to double-click the side button on your iPhone to activate Apple Pay. And then on your screen, you will see your default card. And you want to authenticate with your Face ID. You have to glance at your iPhone to scan your face, and now finally you can hold your phone near the reader, so you have to hold the top part of your iPhone until you see done and a check mark on your screen, which indicates that the transaction is successful. So that's how you use Apple Pay with your Face ID. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.